goes, day 2. Still a wee bit sticky, but I wouldn't sand it down yet, so I wouldn't. So here we go. Get all this off it. See what you think. There we go. Let's see. Oh, she's good and then just a wee bit to do across there. That's it. What's it like in here? Oh, good and solid. You do a job. Just a wee bit to fill in there. Like I say, I don't really want to be sanding it today, but I'll just do this side here. So well, and then leave that to dry. So there we go. The black stuff's harder to get out. Here it goes. Right, so. Drop it down there. give this a wee over here. Set that on there. And then just start doing it with a finger. That's the best bit. Just lightly with your finger. I'm not putting really any pressure on it, I'm just sort of lightly smoothing it. Very sticky. Good a job. Let me see a wee bit. Don't really want to be using this again, like, but is that a wee hole? No, I don't think so. I see. I'm not too sure there, to be honest with you. I don't think it is, like, but that's it all filled in. It just needs to be sanded down now. Let me see a wee bit there. Not too sure, but you know what? I'll lift this wee scalpel. Go easy on it. There you go. No, it wasn't. That's good. Let's give it a wee base over anyway, because I want to sand it, so just